Hi guys, this is Chef Bhumika. Welcome to Rajshri Food. Today we will be making some hot and crispy Aloo Methi Pakodas. I have 1 cup of fresh methi here with me. I've cleaned it and chopped it completely. Next I'm adding in potatoes. I've chopped them. Aloo and methi in itself is a beautiful combination. So I've just chopped up some potatoes and kept it in a little bit of water to avoid browning. Next I'm adding in some chopped onions. So I have half a cup of chopped onions over here. Along with this, I'm adding a handful of chopped coriander. I have half a cup of besan over here. 2 tablespoons of rice flour to make it nice and crispy with a bit of salt. And now it's time to flavor this. I have some green garlic over here. I've used the garlic and the stalk as well. Chopped green chilies for that heat. I'm adding in red chilli powder as well. And a little bit of haldi. Next, I'm adding in some ajwain. This is 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain. Ajwain adds a little bit of warmth to your pakoda, so it always tastes very good. You can rub it between your palms to bring out the aroma of the ajwain. And the last ingredient is our jeera. I'm going to give this a quick mix just to bring everything together and to disperse all that flavor throughout the pakodas. One thing you need to be very careful about while making this recipe is the quantity of water that you add to your batter. Now your methi already has a lot of water in itself, and if you do not dry the methi properly, it will have a little bit of water content from outside as well. So always make sure while making the batter, you're making it with your hands and adding water little by little. That's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm going to add around a tablespoon or 2 at a time and mix it with my hands, just to get a feel of how the batter is doing. We're looking to make a thick batter, not too thin. Time for a little more water. We're going to drop this in some piping hot oil, so it has to drop properly and comfortably from your fingers. So that is exactly what you're looking for in terms of consistency. So I'm taking a little bit of the batter in my hands and dropping it into the oil. Make sure that you do not overcrowd the pan so that you get some crispy pakodas. Otherwise your pakodas won't cook through the center. First thing that you have to make sure that all the ingredients that are going into the pakodas are either finely sliced or finely chopped, so that the surface area increases and they cook quickly. Our pakodas look ready, so we're going to take them out of the oil. Our hot and crispy Aloo Methi Pakodas are ready to serve. You can serve it with a side of ketchup or green chutney. If you want to learn how to make green chutney, you can follow the link in the description box below. Try this recipe out and let me know how it turns out. I'm sure you're going to love it. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.